Fashion is a statement of your personality. Each person has a different personal style. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time tuning in, I would warmly want to welcome you. And of course, if you're a returning subscriber, much appreciate you. I do really appreciate you guys. Yeah, so as for the title on today's video, we're gonna be unlocking fashion basic essentials that every woman should have. Number 8 and 10 is a must, so stay tuned right up until the end so that you actually know what these are. So let's jump straight right into it. So I kind of dotted them down and then I'll be kind of expanding a bit. But yeah, let's go ahead and just unveil these fashion basics that you're actually supposed to have. You dress well, you look good, you feel good about yourself, and of course, fashion is a statement of your personality, and some of these basic fashion statements are basically just must-haves that you can style according to your personal style, because each person has a different personal style, but these are basics for pretty much everybody, and you can just customize them according to your personal style. So let's jump into it. Number 1, classic white shirt. Every lady needs a classic white shirt. Nice button down all the way down, and make sure it's long enough so you can actually tuck it in when you're either wearing a casual or perhaps even a formal pant. Yeah, so and most preferably let it be long sleeved, very fitting. Let this white shirt be very fitting, very essential, and make sure that the buttons on your boobs, and it's not too small in the sense that the buttons on your boobs are kind of squeezing and smashing you up like a melon. No, we don't want that. We want it to be very, very comfortable, nice and fitting, but very comfortable, customized to your body size. So make sure you actually have that if you already don't. Yeah. Number 2 is a black blazer. I cannot emphasize, this would literally take your outfit from drab to fab like that, just like that. So a black blazer. Why am I choosing black blazer? We want neutral colors in this because you're going to style this up with other things, but these are just your basics that you can pretty much add on to and layer onto other stuff. So most preferably if it's double-breasted, even better. Yeah, a little bit of detail on the buttons and whatnot. Also, it has to be very fitting and complements, gives you that class. You can already see. I'll probably give an example. I'm not sure if I'm going to put up examples on how you can actually style this basics fashion statements, but I'll see about that. I might just give you that, or probably will make another video for that. But yeah, that's that. And our third one is pants, preferably black. Why am I really going for neutral colors in this? Because, well, like I mentioned earlier, you're going to be pairing this up with other add-ons that you're going to have in your wardrobe, but these are just the basic that will elevate your style regardless of what your style sense is. Yeah, so definitely black pants, a hue that you're comfortable with, of course, not too high, whatever you're comfortable with. So of course you want to be comfortable, you want to look good, but you also want to look good wearing what you're wearing. You want to be confident in wearing what you're wearing. So I'd prefer you getting pumps with heels to the length that you're actually comfortable walking in. Yeah. And then I think we all know this one. The next one is your little black dress. You know that dress you just put on palm and you're good to go, but you're still gonna look on point, and you can accessorize it with whatsoever you have, but there's just that one little black dress that just fits like a glove and just complements your figure. So this, everybody's got a different body size and body shape. So when you're buying these items, make sure you buy something that's fitting to your body. So the little black dress, I'll have examples of this. Then probably another example would be this right here. So you see the two different body shapes, but they both are wearing the black dress. So that's the whole essence. Little black dress, but one that complements your actual figure and body type. Yeah. And of course, for the accessory, we need this, we want this, we need this. So it's your structured bag. So grab you a structured bag. Examples of structured bag, I'll put one, this one, or this one. Preferably go for a nude color, and black is mostly the safest a nude color that you could go for, because obviously it's gonna go with everything that you'd want to wear it on. And make sure that the structured bag has got enough room for you to put all your essentials in there that you need for the day, whether be it work, evening, or what may. Make sure it's got enough room in there to actually accommodate your day-to-day stuff that you actually use. And then of course our number 6 is a red lipstick. Yeah, red lipstick. Why did I say red? There's something about red that gives authoritative presence, that it gives boldness in a stronger kind of feel if you wear it right, of course. So look for invest in a very good red lipstick. That's a must. And of course, number 7, a trench coat. A very good, flattering to your body trench coat, long, nice, with very essential details. I'll put examples of the trench coats here. I'll probably put 1 or 2. Yeah. So that is what you need. That's our number 7. And drum roll, you're gonna need a basic black pants or trouser, but something very fitting, something very formal, nice and fitting, to your body shape, of course. And then our number 9, drum roll. Number 9 is going to be your denim skinny jeans. Like, this can be worn flat, and this can be worn casually. You can literally wear a denim skinny jean casually, or you can actually dress it up. So make sure you grab yourself some very good denim skinny jeans, but make sure they're actually on the darker side. You don't want something very light, you want something on the darker side. Yeah, get a dark navy blue, something in those lines. And of course, our number 10. Number 10, drum roll, is a leather jacket. So every lady needs a leather jacket, something very stylish, something very fitting as well, so you can actually dress it up or dress it down, especially for those evening cocktail parties, casual, smart, or even at the office. It gives you that fierce bold look, depending on how you actually pair it and what you pair it with, but definitely does elevate your style in a more fierce way. But depending on how you pair it, it can be fierce, or it can be a subtle fierce kind of feel to it. So this was my basic fashion must-haves that I thought would probably be something that you guys would consider. having to add on to your wardrobe if it's not already there. Please let me know which of these is missing in your wardrobe and which one you agree or disagree with in the comment section. Otherwise, this was it from me. I'll see you guys on the next one. For now, it's a Coolio's. Bye bye.
Well, it's waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's